Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can connect custom domain to Netlify. So the step number one is to log in to Netlify. So you just have to go to this link, which is the app.netlify.com, and then just sign in to your Netlify account, or you can also make an account. So you just have to select the site that you want to connect the domain to. So here you will see your domain. So you just have to select the specific domain that you want to connect to. Next is go to the domain settings. So from on top of menu, you will see the site settings. And then in the left sidebar, you just have to click on domains and then click on add custom domain. So here you can add your custom domain. And just enter your custom domain rather. So just type in your custom domain, like for example, the www.yourdomain.com, and then tap on verify. Next is to choose how to connect. So you will have two main options. So that option number one is to use Netlify DNS. Option number two is to use your own DNS provider. So you have to choose how you can connect it. So it depends on you. And the very next is to verify domain and set as primary. So back in the Netlify, you have to click verify DNS configuration. And once verified, you have to click set as primary domain. And if you want your custom domain to be the main address. After that, just enable the HTTPS or the free SSL. So Netlify will automatically issue an SSL certificate via Let's Encrypt. And you just have to make sure that HTTPS is enabled under the domain management section. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!